My name is Patrick Howard. I'm a director here in a company called Howard Farms. We're a multi-generational agri-business and farm that we've been farming here in this area in Killavullen, which is just a couple of miles outside Mallow in North Cork for about 150 years. So we're here quite a while. So the business has developed in the last couple of years. Traditionally, we would have been farming about 1,200 acres every year. We continue to do so. With that, we produce the raw materials of wheat, barley, oats, beans for our agribusiness side, which produces coarse animal feeds and sell nuts and stuff like that to farmers throughout the Munster region. Why we decided to install solar was basically with the huge energy spike with the Ukrainian war a couple of years ago, and the dramatic and rapid increase of energy prices. We obviously, like everyone else who was in business, realized that the huge cost and the burden that it was placing upon the business. So we were immediately looking around for alternatives to offset that cost. We came across Enerpower by the persistence of one of their sales reps, guy Garrett O'Donovan, came calling. We tendered for the project to 2 or 3 different companies, but Garrett's charm won out eventually, and so he presented a very good package and design for what we needed for our business, and his follow through was excellent. And so that's why we went with Enerpower. We thought they were probably the most established player as well in the market. I believe that they're in business and providing solar power expertise for the last 20-25 years. So that was a key factor as well, to know that they were embedded in the industry, that they were there from the start, that they knew what they were doing, and that also that the after sales service, that they'd be there in 5 and 10 years within the solar industry. So that was a key point in actually going with Enerpower as well, and they tendered quite well, so everyone was happy. Absolutely, yeah. There's been a huge difference in our expenditure on electricity. We are operational here since probably February 2024. And obviously that was even, kind of a dead part of the year in terms of light, but the savings have been substantial. It's much to say as our ESB bill has been halved more or less straight away. Absolutely, as I said, we tendered a couple of businesses, and Enerpower came back with it seemed to be the best expertise. As I said, they've been in the business for 25 years, so you have that comfort when you're engaging in a project with someone who knows what they're doing. They tendered quite well compared to others. But as well as that, the experience of dealing with any of their staff has been very positive. Any questions we've had, even after the project has been up and running, they've been very quick to come back to us and help us at any stage. So I'd have no hesitation in recommending Enerpower for anyone who's investigating a solar project. Absolutely. We're very happy with the service that they've provided.